In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your video during a Microsoft Teams meeting. If you're in a Teams call or meeting and you want to remove your own camera feed from your personal view without leaving the meeting or turning off your participation, this is a quick setting you can use. It's especially helpful if you find your own video tile distracting while you're presenting, speaking, or trying to stay focused on other people in the meeting. To begin, make sure you're already inside a Microsoft Teams call or meeting. This option appears during the live meeting interface, so you'll need to be actively connected before you can access it. Once you're in the meeting, look toward the meeting controls and find the view option. This is where Teams gives you different ways to adjust how the meeting appears on your screen. Go ahead and click on View. When that menu opens, you'll see additional layout and display options that affect your meeting experience. From there, hover over More options. You may need to pause for a second so the submenu appears clearly. This section contains extra viewing controls that aren't always shown right away in the main menu. Once the More Options submenu is visible, click on Hide Me. As soon as you select it, your own video tile will be hidden from your view. This means you will no longer see yourself on your screen during the meeting, which can make the interface feel cleaner and less distracting. It's important to understand what this setting does. Hiding yourself does not mean your camera turns off for other participants. If your camera is still enabled, other people in the meeting can still see you. This only changes your personal view inside Teams. So if your goal is to stop others from seeing you completely, you would need to turn off your camera separately. But if you simply want to avoid looking at yourself while staying on camera, Hide Me is the right option. This can be useful during long meetings, presentations, interviews, or classes where constantly seeing your own video can pull your attention away from the conversation. And if you ever want to bring your video tile back into your own view later, you can return to the same view area and reverse the setting. That's all it takes to hide your video from your own screen during a Microsoft Teams meeting. Once you know where to find it, it only takes a few seconds to use.